Hello students, we have started first unit, first topic, that is units and measurements. In that we have seen unit and its definition, classification and SI unit system, and in detail fundamental quantities, fundamental units and derived units and derived quantities. Now we are going to see the remaining units, supplementary units. There are two supplementary units in SI unit system. One is plane angle and second one is solid angle. We will see plane angle. Plane angle is represented by d theta or theta. This is defined as the ratio of the arc length of the circle to the radius of the circle. From this diagram, the arc of angle or the circle is this AB, is the arc of circle, and radius of circle is this small r, OB. Okay, therefore by definition of plane angle, we can write plane angle d theta is equal to arc length AB divided by radius OB. Therefore we can write ds divided by r. Therefore we have written here d theta is equal to arc upon radius, which is equal to ds by small r, and its unit of plane angle is radian. Full name is radian, and symbolically we can represent by RAD, small rad, rad. Okay, and next is the solid angle. This is defined as the area of a portion of surface of a sphere to the square of radius of the sphere. काय आहे डेफिनेशन सॉलिड अँगलचे? तर सरफेस एरिया डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वेअर ऑफ रेडियस. Therefore surface area is suppose this dA and radius is small r. Therefore solid angle is equal to dA by r square, and area of this circular part surface is 4 pi r square divided by r square. Therefore r square gets cancel and we get solid angle is equal to 4 pi, and its SI unit is st-radian. SI unit of solid angle is st-radian and symbolically represented by small sr. So this was about different units, different quantities. Up to this, if any doubt, then ask me personally. So thank you students.